The Indonesian Armed Forces took delivery of more than 500 new military vehicles on 2 October, the Ministry of Defense, MOD, in Jakarta has announced. The Czech Republic has signed for 2 Embraer KC-390 Millennium tanker transport aircraft, the country's defense minister announced on 2 October. A Russian Sukhoi Su-35 conducted what the North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD, termed as an unsafe and unprofessional maneuver near a U.S. fighter aircraft off the coast of Alaska on 23 September. Indonesia, Indonesian Aircraft Industries, PTDI, has announced that it will modernize 9 Indonesian Air Force, TNI-AU, Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules aircraft in cooperation with the Air Force. Northrop Grumman and Terma have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, for ongoing cooperation on advanced technologies, according to a Northrop Grumman statement on 1 October. At Germany's Baden-Württemberg, Type 125, frigate class is assessed to be suitable for prolonged operations in the challenging Indo-Pacific climate, and the ship type will likely be deployed again to the region in future missions. Poland's WB Group has secured a contract from South Korea's Defense Acquisition Program Administration, DAPA, to deliver its loitering munitions to the Republic of Korea, ROK, armed forces. Hanwha Systems has developed and launched a small synthetic aperture, a radar SAR satellite for Earth observation, and intends to enhance its SAR technology to develop more satellites. The Royal Netherlands Air Force, RNLAF, has stood up the new unit to operate the Airbus helicopters H225M, Caracal multi-role rotorcraft, that it ordered for its Special Operations Forces, SOF, role. Hanwha Aerospace intends to develop an unmanned version of its K9A1 tracked self-propelled howitzers, SPHs. The US has contracted Lockheed Martin to deliver AGM-158B2, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, Extended Range, JASSM-ER weapons to European customers. Brazilian Navy helicopter carrier NAM Atlântico A140 entered the Almirante Regis dry dock on 23 September for the ship's first maintenance docking since its commissioning in June 2018, the Navy told Jane's Israel Aerospace Industries EA. I displayed its new Wind Demon air-to-surface missile during the recently concluded Asian Defense and Security Exhibition, ADIS, in Manila. In an effort to increase Philippine and regional interest in the missile, a company executive said, the Portuguese Navy has unveiled a new unmanned surface vehicle, USV, dubbed Traitor do Mar, at NATO's exercise REPMUS 24, robotic experimentation and prototyping with maritime unmanned systems. India's Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, has formed a joint venture, JV, with Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, to sustain missile systems designed by the Israeli firm. India's Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, has formed a joint venture, JV, with Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, to sustain missile systems designed by the Israeli firm. The Danish Ministry of Defence Acquisition and Logistics Organisation, DALO, signed a contract with Rheinmetall on 27 September for 16 Skyranger 30 air defence systems, the signatories have announced. Rheinmetall said in a press release on 30 September that the air defence system would be mounted on a Piranha 5 valve 8x8 armoured vehicle. The United States is to send Boeing GBU-39 small-diameter bombs, SDBs, to Ukraine to better enable the country's air force to conduct standoff strikes into occupied and Russian territory. The Tactical Unmanned Aircraft System, UAS programs in the US Army might be all over the place now, but this could change in the coming years, said senior officials on 27 September. The US Air Force, USAF, retired its last Boeing KC-10 extender air-to-air tanker on 2007-26. According to a statement by the service Indian company Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASL, announced on 30 September that it has signed a deal with Morocco covering the local production of its 8x8 wheeled armoured platform